Dear Judge San Felipe, Mr. Heinze emailed the court the interrogatories in his email below last evening, and the court forwarded them to me this morning. I am writing to request the court's permission not to respond to these interrogatories until the court makes a determination on the request for discovery at scheduled September hearing. Mr. Heinze requests responses within 30 days, but I do not intend to respond unless ordered to do so by the court. Given the purported 30-day time frame and the scheduling of the motion hearing, I wanted to inform the court and Mr. Heinze of my position on responding to interrogatories. Thank you for your time and consideration on this matter. That is what the prosecutor wrote to the judge yesterday. And I inputted that message into ChatGPT and told ChatGPT, prompted it to follow the law with interrogatories, since he's quoting civil code of procedure for doing discoveries. I'm focusing on that, and within 2 seconds ChatGPT spit out this: Dear Judge, I am writing in response to the prosecutor's request for permission to delay responding to my interrogatories until the court hearing scheduled for September. I respectfully request that the court enforce the civil code of procedure for discovery evidence and require timely responses to my interrogatories. Under Wisconsin Statute Section 804.08(1)(b), a party upon whom interrogatories have been served shall serve a copy of the answers and any objections thereto within 30 days after the service of the interrogatories, and within 30 days after the service of the interrogatories. It is important that this procedure is followed to ensure a fair and efficient discovery process. This prosecutor's position to wait for the court determination at the September hearing unnecessarily delays the discovery process and hinders my ability to prepare my case effectively. The statute clearly mandates a 30-day response period, and there is no provision allowing for an indefinite delay pending a court hearing unless explicitly ordered by the court. I respectfully request that the court direct the prosecutor to comply with the statutory time frame and provide responses to the interrogatories within the required 30 days. This will ensure that both parties have adequate time to review and address the discovery materials in preparation for the upcoming hearing. Thank you for your attention to this matter. So I am relenting that the judge can decide to delay the 30-day time frame for my prosecutor to respond. But I just wanted to make it clear. I wanted to get this out fast, so because I didn't know like how long it would take the prosecutor to respond. She could have responded within a matter of hours, and she says that this is an informal court, so I mean responses can go super fast, they can go super slow, and I want to be quick about it, and ChatGPT allows me to be quick about it. I submitted my interrogatories simply by inputting the text from my interaction with the cops. I rewrote everything that the cop, well, no, I didn't actually, somebody else did. For this case, somebody else was nice enough to rewrite what the cop said and what I said during my arrest. So I have a script. I inputted that script into ChatGPT and just said, write me some interrogatory questions. But I will say that I also asked ChatGPT before that to just what are interrogatory questions. And in that answer, it said that it gave instructions for 30 days. It actually explicitly said 30 days. So I actually merged two interrogatories together because I asked it in different ways, and it didn't give the notice, the advance notice, like for my general question, and I thought that looked really good. I mean, it says it in the law, the 30 days, but for me to communicate that in my letter to the courts, I think helps. So so that then the prosecutor doesn't have to look it up. I'll make it easy for him. I want to make this as easy as possible for both the judge and prosecutor by explaining things. And ChatGPT explains things really quickly anyway. So what would the judge say? If you were the judge, would you allow this to be extended until September? Or would you stick with the 30 days from the time that it's submitted and just allow defense to properly prepare? What would you do as a judge?